A little Linux tip for Patrick, thanks to Brian. So Patrick, I just wanted to point out that Brian's tip with the Linux Mint web app was fantastic. This article that he shared, it worked perfectly on my install of Elementary OS. So I did not use terminal. I simply downloaded the deb file and installed it that way. It's someplace in here on how to do it. Right here. Here's the link for that. So let me get rid of this article, and you can see I installed it through the EDI program in Elementary OS. So I can get rid of that. So I've tested it with two different websites, Netflix and YouTube. I've only signed into YouTube. I haven't signed in Netflix, but it allowed me to add both under my internet heading in applications. So if I click on Netflix, it opens up full screen with a reminder how to get out of full screen by pressing the F11 key. Well, I did a screenshot. So let's try YouTube. Now I've signed into YouTube and opened it a few times, and I stay signed in. So my question to you is, how are you going to exit out of one full screen web app to get into the next one if you want to switch from Netflix to Hulu or to YouTube TV or to whatever you might be running on your system with your special remote control? I imagine that's the next hurdle, but on a PC I can simply shift to a window version by hitting the F11 key to close it. Unfortunately, on my desktop, when it's full screen, I don't have access to my toolbar. But it may make me rethink how I use some Chrome apps. I may create some desktop apps this way for certain applications. So for anyone else that's interested, you can set your own icon. And let's set the YouTube one. We'll hit the edit pencil and click on the icon. And I'd rather just see my whole directory tree, but if I browse, I can go to home, I can go to my icon folder, and I can go into the icons that I have for all my Chrome apps. And we're looking for YouTube. And click it, select, and we're done. So the key is this. When you add your website, you're going to have a little slash after the com. Get rid of that and add the start full screen code, which is right here. So when you add a website with a copy and paste, it's going to have the slash included. It won't work if you add this after it. So you get rid of the slash and then add the start full screen code, and it'll work fine. Or at least it does on my Elementary OS desktop. So this is pretty cool. I love learning something new. And let's click OK, and now we've got the icon. And if we go in, the icon is set. And if you want it in a new group, let's put it in games, click OK, and if I go to games, it appears. So this is really a fantastic little trick, and thanks to Brian for pointing it out. And thanks for watching.